is noon. Which is noon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning. Which is
Good
noon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon.
Sibo. Sibo.
All of you, please listen. Uh,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We will have our science class tomorrow. In the next week, in the next week, we will have our science test. This week, science.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Many of us, many of you have got this confusion why we are not having this chapter 6, 8 and 9 being taught. So that is in your second term, that is why I have not that chapter. This chapter number 7 I have taught. Chapter number 7 I have taught, that is your respiration in organism. But that is not coming in this test. That I will give you in the next test. This test you will have chapter number 10, soil. Understood? So soil will be the portion of the coming week test, weekly test, online test. As we have completed almost our syllabus of the first term, so we will have a revision of the chapters which are going to come in the test, and then we will have a overall revision of the chapters. So, we will have the chapter test. So come to the chapter and let us have a revision of that chapter. And stop talking and listen.
इस टर्म में कहाँ तक आ रहा है चैप्टर में?
आपको कुछ chapters omitted है. Shashank, stop talking. So this term, chapter number, as in the old syllabus I have got that according to that, first, second, third, fourth and fifth, these are the chapters. Then after that, seventh, then it will be soil, then that is 10th chapter, 10, 11, 12, then 13 also. These are the complete chapters which are for the first term. Okay, so let us come, almost we have completed the first term syllabus. So we will have the revision work, and this revision work, we will have some quiz also, and I will give you some important questions also to the topic which we are going to revise. So here let us have a quick glance of the chapter what we have studied. What we studied, that soil is very important for us. This we studied that day. In the previous class, what I'm talking about, but I will just tell you to remind it. Important resource which we are the whole soil is also known as then how it Piyush Kumar, stop talking. If you don't want to attend the class, you may leave the class. You may leave it.
Can you please repeat which chapters is of first term?
I will give you on WhatsApp. I will give you written on the WhatsApp. Okay? Just now.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. So, here we are having soil revision. Those who came late, just listen. Soil is very important for us. Soil is an important natural resource because we are dependent directly or indirectly with the soil for our own necessity. then it is a resource. How can we say that it is a resource? Because we are utilizing it in several purposes, several works. But the one factor that comes in our mind, one thing that we want to discuss over here, that is how is this soil formed? Now we often and then say that soil is an important resource, but from somewhere it might be coming. So it is coming from the withered rocks. The soil texture, soil color will also be according to the quality of the rock from which it has been attained. Clear? So here, soil we can say that it is coming from a withered rock, and it has to be protected because we have our important
nature. I'm asking you a question. What is the simple opinion of nature? Chapter 5, question.
Can you hear me?
You don't know the answer. Okay.
हेलो
Afterward.
मैम आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है
Here what we were talking that important resource and we have to preserve it because it is our main necessity, main requirement, that is the growth of the plant is dependent on the soil. So this soil is a very important you can say role in our life. And we get soil as naturally occurring loose covering of broken rock particles and decaying organic matter. It is defined that it originated from broken rocks and decaying organic matter. You can say it is also obtaining the humus. It is also supporting. Is that okay?
मैम आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है यस मैम
If you will talk, then the voice will not be clear. You can see some of them are discussing. Soil it is due to withering, and withering means what? Breaking up of the rock particles. So that is caused by, that is of two types. What are those two types? Physical withering. Physical withering is due to temperature, water, wind, plants and animals. Please keep your book with you so that you can recall the topic. So in physical withering, we have the factor temperature. Now children, how this temperature helps in withering of the rocks? It helps in withering by the continuous contraction and relaxation. So expansion or contraction also you can say. So this expansion and contraction takes place due to difference in the temperature. We all know that it is not the same throughout the year. The temperature varies from time to time. It is not same. It is not similar. It's up and down of the temperature. There are some cracks in this rock pieces, and they slowly and gradually disintegrate or break down. Then, what do the role of the water is there? The role of water, those rock pieces which are near the ocean bed or sea bed, then the rainwater, rain shower, or the force of the wind, water current, they all help in breaking up of the larger pieces into smaller particles, and they also carry this smaller particles of the rock from one place to the other. Then wind is also a very important factor for the withering up of rocks. So the carrying away of the this strong wind, sandstorms in the desert, they have got high wind force, and this abrasive movement of the wind from the seashore, they can carry the rock particles from one place to the other. Then after that, plants and animals. The smaller plants and animals, that is lichens, mosses, which are growing on bare rock, they are cause the gradual disintegration. What is the meaning of gradual disintegration? Like if there is a small crack in a piece of rock, then in this crack, the lichens and mosses grow, and they makes these cracks bigger and bigger. And when the cracks become bigger and bigger, due to the chemical action of the plants and animals which are growing over there, they break and they just go on breaking into smaller and smaller pieces, and they form the strong roots are there originated in these cracks. They help in breaking up of the rocks. Then comes the topic chemical withering. Organic acid which are released by the decomposition of organic matter, that is dead and decaying plants and animals, they generate or they pour out the organic matter on these surfaces of the rock, and this solvent action of the water dissolve the broken up pieces of this rock, and they can carry from one place to the other, action of the wind. After that,
मैम आपकी आवाज रिपीट हो रही है.
there is the topic soil profile. The soil profile is of Rohit Raj. Just pay attention. Soil horizon is divided, you can say, 5 categories. What are they? They are your O horizon. O horizon contains organic matter. Then comes your A horizon, that is
Topsoil.
after comes the subsoil.
D horizon.
Either or decomposed rock, and R is the solid rock.
Solid rock.
This topsoil, O horizon, we see that the organic matter is there because at this layer the plants grow and the dead and decaying part of the plant fall on this layer, so the humus is there. The lower level, second layer is your A horizon, which is carrying the process of leaching. What is this leaching? The leaching method is the method in which the water reaches to the other surfaces of the rock, drop by drop, by being absorbed by the soil. And this process of leaching is known as alluviation. इसको alluviation कहते हैं. Then after that, comes your next, that is your subsoil. In this layer, lies beneath A horizon and above C horizon, and it contains mineral deposit like iron, aluminium, then aluminium oxide, calcium carbonate. These are the chemicals which are present at this layer. Then after that comes your C horizon, which is beneath B horizon and above R horizon. And it is the slightly broken bedrocks, and plant root do not penetrate at this region because it becomes at the lower level. Then after that, R horizon, this consists of unwithered rocks, and which is also known as bedrock, and it consists beneath all the other layers. Now children, till here, in the last class also we have discussed then what will be the expected questions that can be formed from this topic what I have revised just now. So let us come to the question first. Why is soil important for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is soil very important for us. Give me the answer. Clear.
मालूम है जी
Anybody?
क्वेश्चन आंसर मालूम है
Can the answer come from anybody?
Hi Rohit.
Piyush.
Most of the
Hello.
Soil is one of the most important
लो
most life forms on Earth is
अभी
dependent
ना
as it is a direct or indirect source of food for them.
Why is it important for us, or why is soil known as an important resource?
soil is the one of the most important natural resource of the earth.
One of the most important natural resources on the earth.
The life forms
Most of the
on the
life
earth
forms
depend on the
on
soil
earth
as a
depend on
direct
the soil
or
as the
indirect source
direct
of the
or
food.
indirect source of food and for them. Plants obtain their
Soil is a
nutrients
home
from
to many
soil and
different forms
animals
of life.
are dependent on them. Soil is home to many different forms of life. Soil is also known as earth.
Yes, you are there to the point, but in one sentence you can answer like this. The soil is an important natural resource because we are directly or indirectly dependent on the soil. That is why important. एक लाइन में आंसर करें. How is soil formed? How is soil formed?
Soil is formed by the combined effect of physical, chemical, and biological processes on its parent material or the rock.
Soil formation is a combined effect of physical, chemical, and biological processes on its parent material.
Combination effect of physical, chemical, and biological process on its
This
parent
process is termed as
material.
weathering.
Soil is a combination
Soil
effect of
formation
physical
is
and
combined
chemical
effect
and
of
biological
physical and
process on its
chemical and
parent
biological
matter. The
processes
rock,
on
the process
parent
of a
materials.
Just wait.
as a weathering. There
Soil
are
is formed by
different of weathering, physical weathering and chemical
and decay of living
weathering.
parts and animal matter. पहले दिया हुआ है ना? So your
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
should be
मैम वो
very
नाम चेंज
Yes,
करना
ma'am.
स्टिकर पे स्टिकर नहीं रखना है
point. Soil is formed.
अभी तक क्लास सुन रहा हूँ
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Erosion and decay of living plants and animals. Okay, this is the answer. Now, what you have to do during
Yes, ma'am.
session of revision, you have to be prepared with the answers that may be asked or questions that may be asked. How can you get prepared? You can get prepared by reading the chapter and underlining the important point over there. Clear? Then you can answer. From tomorrow you get ready like that only. Now after that comes that how much time is required to prepare 1 inch of topsoil?
500 years. 500 years. 500 years.
So you just imagine that 1 inch of a soil takes 500 years to get replaced or to be. Then what you have to do? You have to preserve this soil. You have to protect this soil. Okay? Then after that, comes the that's answering just what is withering, then that will be
हेलो
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
Withering. Soil formation and maybe.
हेलो
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, कोई चिल्ला रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
आपकी आवाज भी नहीं आ रही है, कोई वो करके चिल्ला रहा है.
Prem Kumar.
Ma'am,
The screen. Prem Kumar is registered.
ma'am, Prem Kumar 7 है.
Now here, withering is the process that is the combined effort of both effect of physical and
biological
Parent material.
And biological process on its parent material.
Neutral एक minute.
This is a term process is term as
आपको अपडेट करना स्नैप होगा करना विथ योर नाम नेम क्लास
इस बार को देखना थोड़ी देर
बच्चा विदाउट नेम अपीयर हो रहा है यहाँ पे रिटन ओवर देयर विथ योर रोल नंबर आप अपना जाकर स्नैप होमवर्क पर अपने आप को अपडेट कर लीजिए बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक
अभी 10 मिनट लेना है आ रहा है
what are the different types of withering or how many types of withering are there? There are two types of withering.
Chemical weathering.
What are the different
physical and chemical weathering?
what are the factors that affect the soil in physical weathering? Temperature,
Water, wind,
temperature, water, wind,
plants and animals.
Temperature, water, wind, plants and animals.
and what
Temperature, water,
Water, wind, plants and animals, or chemical and organic mass.
then comes your soil profile. Then what is soil
Soil
profile?
profile,
The layers of the soil are known as
soil horizon,
profile.
soil profile.
horizons in a soil.
The arrangement of these horizons in a soil is
Those are called soil horizons. Arrangement of horizons in a soil.
The arrangement of horizons in the soil is known as soil profile.
The arrangement of these horizons in the
what
soil
are
is known
soil
as soil
profiles.
This arrangement of horizons in a soil is known as soil profile.
You define soil
Of
profile.
this horizon in a soil is known as soil profile.
Different layers, different names of the soil horizons. What are the different names of the soil horizons?
O horizon,
horizon, A
A
horizon,
A
horizon,
horizon,
B
topsoil,
horizon, C horizon, R horizon.
C horizon, R horizon.
T horizon means topsoil.
R bedrock.
T horizon weathered or decomposed rocks, and R horizon means solid rocks.
Okay. Here we have to be very careful in this horizons that which horizon contains which type of texture of the soil. So first you answer me which horizon of the soil profile has the organic layer of soil. Organic layer of
Horizon. O horizon.
O horizon, O horizon.
this also. That which horizon in the soil profile contains the humus layer. Then also the answer will be O horizon.
O horizon.
Yes. Then in which horizon do the seed germinate?
Ma'am, topsoil.
Topsoil. A horizon, A horizon,
A horizon. Ma'am, A horizon.
A horizon,
Then
A horizon.
A horizon.
does the leaching of the soil takes place?
A horizon.
A horizon.
B horizon.
So you just see how many types of questions we can take from the same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, A horizon.
Which horizon contains the minerals in it? Minerals in
B
it.
horizon, B horizon,
Yes.
B horizon.
horizon.
B horizon.
What are the
Horizon.
that are present in this horizon?
Iron, aluminum oxide,
calcium carbonate.
Like iron, aluminum oxide, and calcium carbonate.
Iron, aluminum oxide, and calcium carbonate.
Aluminum oxide.
Iron, aluminum oxide, and calcium carbonate.
Yes.
And calcium
carbonate.
The horizon. कौन सा layer होता है?
बाथरूम में स्लिप होता है मेरा पैर
Sea horizon.
अपन साइज का पैर
And which layer is the above
Plant root do not.
subsoil or above the horizon? Yeah, subsoil है. कौन सा horizon होता है?
Ma'am, please mute all.
B horizon. B horizon.
Horizon के ऊपर कौन होता है? Above कौन होता है?
A horizon. A horizon. Top soil. Top soil. A horizon.
And if I will discuss, this is the discussing class, na? Discussion class. I am not only teaching. Discussion is also going on, so I can't mute you all. Then, which horizon does the plant root do not penetrate? Which horizon?
C horizon. C horizon.
C horizon.
C horizon.
In which layer does a little organic minerals are found? A little bit
C
of
horizon. C horizon.
yes. Then, which horizon consists of unwithered rock called bedrock?
R horizon.
R
R
horizon.
horizon.
The portion of
That what type of
soil.
can be
R
framed?
horizon.
यहाँ तक तो इस तरह का क्वेश्चन फ्रेम किया जाएगा. Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Portion chapter 10 है.
yes. 10th chapter is the portion. Now, what are the properties of the soil? Soil का property क्या क्या?
Soil texture.
Soil texture.
Soil texture, soil
Structure.
structure,
Plastic of
elastic and corrosion,
Plastic
soil tendency,
and corrosion.
and infiltration, and perforation.
Plasticity and cohesion, soil density.
Talk about soil texture. How many types of textures are there? What are those?
Three. Sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil.
Clay soil, loamy soil.
Soil and loamy soil. So these three textures are very important for the growth of different varieties or different types of, you can say, plants. Why? Because some require more amount of water, some
Require less amount of water.
others requires the least amount of water. That is why with the soil texture, according to the soil texture, we decide which type of crop can be grown in a particular region. एक particular region में किस तरह का कर सकता है. Okay, we decide according to the texture which is found in that particular locality. You all know that all type of soil will not be available in all the localities. Why? Because of the various physical factors which are there present over there. So according to the physical factors and environmental factors, the different category of the soil are present in different areas, and according to that we decide which type of soil is suited in which type of crop, which type of crop we don't do which area. Now, if we talk about sandy soil के बारे में अगर बात करते हैं, sandy soil has got big particles and it cannot hold water at all. Sandy soil में हमको बार डालना होता है और वो अपने आप में होल्ड करके नहीं रख सकता है क्योंकि उसका particles big है, so the pores will be there and it cannot hold water. Then this type of soil requires frequent irrigation, and that irrigation, due to that irrigation, we will select that type of plant that requires less water. Yes, anybody has to ask anything? After that, we will talk about the next type of soil, and that is clay soil. This soil has got more retaining capacity, means it can hold the water, holding capacity is more, so problem of water logging may be there in this variety of soil. Then loamy soil has got all the three textures of the soil, that is silt, clay and the sand present in a proper amount, and that is why it is a very adequate form of the soil for the growth of the plant. Okay, so what question we can frame? We can frame that according to the soil texture, the soil is divided into how many categories? Categories. Okay. What are they?
Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil.
Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil.
Which soil is
Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil.
Which soil is very good for the growth of the plant?
Sandy soil.
Loamy soil.
Sandy soil.
Sandy soil. Sandy soil ग्रोथ के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, क्यों? अभी आपको हम बताएं ना।
Loamy soil.
हाँ, क्योंकि लोमी
soil.
हाँ,
Loamy soil.
soil has to we have to pour more water or frequent water in the case of sandy soil because there are pores and it cannot retain the water. Okay. Then after that, clay soil, what is the problem with clay soil? That it holds the water. It can collect the water for a long time in the soil. Particles are enriched with
Like
the
water logging in field.
so the problem of water logging will be there. So the best the loamy soil. ठीक है? So leave it till here. यहीं तक रहने दीजिए. Tomorrow we will discuss the next part of the chapter. And what is the आपका मतलब क्या है? Read the chapter till where it is taught. जहाँ तक अभी हम पढ़ा दिए हैं और आगे भी आप इसको read करते रहिएगा chapter को और question answer you must learn. Because this single chapter is coming for your test and all of you should attain good marks. Clear? सबको अच्छा marks आना चाहिए and go through the. I will discuss the question answer also. I will take the going to change the frame of the question means the which is given in your chapter at the back. You will learn those questions only, but the objective question also you should know during our discussion in the class. Okay. So any more problem? Yeah. कोई और दिक्कत है आप लोग?
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
No. So do you want or you listen? What you will do today? जहाँ तक आप लोग पढ़ लिए आज, वहाँ तक में जो जो क्वेश्चन हम अभी फ्रेम करवाए वो सब आप लोग नोट करके बताइएगा हमको. You just note it down. Tomorrow I will ask you question so that you know how to frame the question by reading yourself. अपने पढ़ के और क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाया जाए ये आप लोग बना कर आइएगा, ठीक है। आई विल आस्क यू, और जो क्वेश्चन है जैसे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉइल में सॉइल कलर, सॉइल टेक्सचर, प्लास्टिसिटी एंड कोहेजन, सॉइल डेंसिटी, इनफिल्ट्रेशन एंड पर्कोलेशन एंड कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ सॉइल, यहाँ तक आप लोग कल क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करिएगा और आज का भी क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करिएगा, ओके।
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
आपको आंसर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, यू कैन मार्क इन द बुक इटसेल्फ। आपको जब रीड करोगे फ्रीक्वेंटली तो आपको आंसर खुद से आ जाएगा कि उसका आंसर क्या होगा, लेकिन आप क्वेश्चन जानना जरूरी है कि एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ने के बाद उसमें कौन सा क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, ठीक है। ओके, थैंक यू, दिस इज फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
nice day, ma'am.
Good day,
Have a
ma'am.
good day, ma'am.
Have a nice day,
Good day,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.